What's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Keevie. For those of you guys that don't know, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So today's video is going to be on my eyebrow routine. I wanted to do an updated eyebrow routine. I asked you guys in the last video if you would be interested in seeing an updated eyebrow routine, and you guys said yeah. So here it is today. It's really quick, really simple, really easy. This is literally my everyday eyebrow routine. When I do this makeup look, this simple everyday makeup look, if you guys want to see that video too, let me know. But I have like so many of these up, that's why I didn't think to film it. But when I do this makeup look, this is the brow routine that I do, and this is like my simple everyday makeup routine. This is how I get my natural brow look. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys want to see how I get it, then just keep watching. Thanks guys. So I'm gonna start out with the ANASTASIA brow wiz in the shade dark brown. So if you guys don't know about this, I absolutely swear by this. I love this brow pencil. So on one end it has a spoolie which looks like this, and then the other end which is the actual product. I feel like no other brow product I've tried compares to this. That's just my opinion on it. So I constantly use this, but lately I've just been using it to outline my brows because, like I said, this is a simple everyday brow, natural type of brow look. So I'm going to take the spoolie in and brush my brows up in the front and then over where they curve at. Then I'm going to take the actual product in. I don't know if I mentioned this, but mine is in the shade dark brown. And I'm going to take mine and outline the brows on the bottom and on the top. This just pretty much makes it look full and make them look put together and just full. And you want to make sure you connect it at the tail, and you don't want to go too high or too low, because the higher you go, the bigger your brow will be, and the lower you go, the bigger it will be. So you want to try to keep it at your natural brow. I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but that's pretty much how it looks after I outline it. Then what I like to do is go in with a brow gel. Now the brow gel that I'm currently using is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara. You can pretty much use any type of brow gel for this next step because all of them pretty much work the same. And if you guys don't know, it just looks like a little mascara. It's really little, and mine is in the shade Nothing But Brunette, so it's like a brunette color. Doesn't necessarily have fibers on it, but it does have a tint to it, so it's kind of like you brushing on, it's kind of like you're brushing your natural hairs and just making your brow look natural. So what I like to do is start at the tail and brush it in the form, brush it in the way that it's going. So if it's going over, I brush it going over. If it's going up, I brush it going up. And you can use a darker one or a lighter one. I just prefer to use this one because it looks more natural with this color. And once you get to the front, you just want to kind of brush it upward. At least for me, I like to have the front of mine looking going upward because it looks more natural that way. And then I go ahead and do the other brow. I know it looks a little bit crazy, but I do clean up my brows, so it does look a little crazy until you actually clean it up and make it look put together. I go in with the spoolie again with the ANASTASIA brow wiz, and I brush them up and over just to again make it look natural. And then now it's time to clean it up. So what I use to clean up my brows is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I use the shade Medium Deep Tan because it's really close to my skin tone, so I like to use this shade to clean up my brows. And what I do is I just take the applicator that it comes with, and I'll go across the bottom and across the top just to make sure I clean it up. And I like, sometimes I may outline a little too far up, or I may make one bigger than the other or something like that. This is the time where you fix all of that and you clean it up with the concealer. Or sometimes if you haven't plucked your brows in a while, you haven't waxed or shaved or whatever, this is the time that you can hide all of that. So I like to take it across the bottom just to make sure everything is looking just so fresh and clean, you know. To clean it up, I just take one of these brushes. I can forget the name of them. I got them off of Amazon. It came in like a set of 5. I don't know, but they're like really good brushes. They're kind of like using your fingertips. All of them are really soft, and they're all like shaped like this, so you can, it's kind of like using your fingertips. I had them for years. I don't even know if you can still get them, but they're really good brushes, and I just like to use this to blend in the concealer. Okay, and I'm not even gonna lie, sometimes I do mess up, like how I did here, where I accidentally blended the concealer down too far and kind of wiped away a little bit there. And what you really just want to do is just go back in with your brow wiz and just kind of make it look even again. And that's pretty much it. Just make it look even. Don't want to go up too high because you don't want to have to go back in and conceal it again. Alright, and there you have it. That is pretty much how I do my brows. Alright guys, so that is how I get my brows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know the products that you guys use on your brows in the comment below, or how you do your brow technique in the comment below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I think that is about it. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.